What's poppin', chef? In today's video, I'll be showing you the new Jersey Club loop kit called Code 12. Code 12 is a loop kit that allows you to add variety in your Jersey Club tracks. In this FL session, I have an example of what you can do using the Code 12 loop kit. I'll play it for you real quick. All the sounds used in this session file is available on my website, and you can download the exact session file also on my website and Patreon. I'll leave the Code 12 loop kit in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one.